Hey, what's up, AML family? Thank you guys so much for tuning in today. I really appreciate everyone who show us love out here in Kensington. And you know, today's unboxing day, and I told you guys I have somebody special who's going to be doing unboxing today. So special guest, can you show yourself?
There you go. What's up?
We got the man himself, you know, Lego in the building.
Surviving Kensington, baby.
Surviving Kensington.
Loyalty plus admiration ignites and inspires genuine originality. What's good with y'all?
You hear it, guys? You know, we linked up again, and we're going to keep on linking up.
We ain't going nowhere.
We ain't going nowhere. So, Lego, before we get started, you want to say anything before we...
Man, I just appreciate all y'all for y'all support, man, for everybody coming through, man. Y'all know what we trying to do out here, the things we trying to accomplish, man, and we can't do it without y'all, the people, man, the people that care, the people that want to see somebody, you know, get a little help out here, man. You know, it's a cold winter out here, so we hoping that y'all done gave some jackets, coats, blankets, you know, stuff to keep people warm out here, man. So I just wanted to give my appreciation to the people, that's all.
Excellent, excellent. So you hear it, guys. We are very grateful as always. So it's time to get down to the unboxing.
That's
on you, sir.
All right, let's see what we got here, man.
Today is Lego first time unboxing. I got the knife right there for you.
Yeah, happy supplier. All right. We got something that it don't have no particular name on here, so we're just gonna go ahead and open this up real quick, see what we got.
You got your knife right there too.
All right, cool. I don't want to damage nothing. You know what I'm saying? I'm excited, man. See what the people got, man.
Right. Yeah. So Lego, talk about your coat drive also too. You know.
Yeah, November 19th, man. We trying to do a coat drive for the people, man. You know, help people get through this winter, man. And we got some gloves right here that was sent, man. We got a little card in here, but yeah, November 19th, the coat drive for Kensington, man. And these are the type of things that we asking for from the people, man. We got some hats and some gloves right here, man, that was sent by a supporter, man. Much appreciated. We appreciate y'all.
God bless you.
God bless you.
Let's see that paper. See if there's a name on this or anything. All right, so this person, Van Burnt. Well, it's a street.
Yeah, that was a street name.
All right, so this person name, leave a name there, anonymous. We appreciate, you know, those who donate anonymous and those who, you know, put their name there. It's all love.
All love, all love. I'm gonna sit this right here, man.
Yes, sir. Yep.
Man, what we got right here? What we got right here? I don't think I need the knife for this one. What we got in this one? Nah, there's no name on this one either. This is another anonymous, unless it's inside. Let's see what we got. It's a package inside of a package.
Alright,
what we got? What we got? Okay. We got some alcohol prep pads. Alcohol prep pads, and this is from
no name.
Oh no, another anonymous, man.
Let's see, there's nothing on
There's
there.
a bunch of little tags in here.
Let's see. This share from Brooklyn. Okay, you see from Brooklyn?
Oh yeah, salute to Brooklyn.
Yo, Brooklyn, we out there.
Brooklyn in the house, we out here.
Brooklyn representing.
We got something else right here. I don't know what this is. Oh, this is a little bag.
Man, somebody's gonna love that.
They could little carrier, put their little stuff in there, little personal stuff, man. But yeah, we got some alcohol pads right here. That's what this is. Salute, much appreciated. Thank you very much. Somebody going to definitely need that because sanitation is, you know what I mean? People definitely gotta make sure they selves clean. Clean up the trash and stuff, man. A little all over the place.
Yeah, you can put stuff on the floor too, you know.
Oh yeah, no doubt.
It'll be alright. We'll handle that later on.
Alright, and we got this right here from everybody anonymous today, huh? It's all love, man. Much appreciated. What we doing? What we doing? I think we got some hoodies right here, man. Awesome. Oh, no, some more Scullies, man.
Nice.
This is love, man. Some Scullies, man. People going to need Scullies. Scullies is a big thing, man. Keep the head warm. Some good socks right here. Some good work gear socks, man. The thick ones, man. Much appreciated. We appreciate you for this. Seriously. There's no card inside of this one.
Hey, God bless the person.
God bless you, seriously. Y'all know who y'all are. Y'all know who sent it. Y'all watching. Much love. All right, let's get to one of these boxes, shall we?
Sir.
Let's get to one of these boxes, man. Let's see what we got in the box. Oh, wow, what is this? What are these? Hand warmers. These are hand warmers, correct? Yes, sir, man. We got a bunch of them.
Oh, you know what that is? Emergency blankets.
Okay. Oh, yeah, that's exactly what it is. Pack of 10 blankets, man. This is love right here.
Cold nights.
Cold nights,
and it's starting to get cold already out there.
Yeah, these are going to come in handy for a lot of people. God bless you. Salute to whoever sent these. There's no... Everybody's anonymous, man. It's
nothing
love.
but blankets in there.
Yeah, there's all blankets in here, man. A lot of them.
Let's turn the box over. See, might be a name on the other end, because sometimes that's how they do it. Sometimes, but you know, no names.
Just making sure it's not nothing right there.
Nah, I don't see nothing.
Nah, it's all empty, man. Everybody.
Well, God bless whoever.
Everybody just sending love from the muscle, man. Nah, nope.
Okay.
That's love, though, man.
Yeah, we appreciate it.
That's a lot of blankets right there, man.
Yeah, the winter out here is vicious, and you notice it's not easy when people out there in the cold sleeping in the snow.
For real, bro.
That tells you a lot.
It's going to get serious out here, man. Let's see. What's in this big one right here, man? I'm going to cut myself. Let me get that.
Yeah, so guys, remember November 19th, right? The cold drive?
Yes, sir.
Keep on sending blankets, jackets, scarves, hats, hand warmers, anything you think that, you know, somebody will need in the winter time to the P.O. Box. The link is in the description. You know, we want to put smiles on the people's face out here. The kids also, too. Send things for kids, because, you know, they are the future.
Major, absolutely, because that's what we, you know, we want to definitely let the community know that we're here for them, man. People tend to forget that this is a residential area, and that you have everyday struggling people out here, man, that's struggling to raise their kids, man, and just, you know, a little support to them go a long way, you know what I mean? We got some bags here. We got some bags. Oh, we got a lot of stuff in here. Hold up, let me open this all the way up.
Yeah.
I see some candy, man. You know, and people love sweets, man.
Right.
People love sweets. Oh, come on, man. You know, I'm vicious, y'all. I'm just, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Oh, hold up. What we got? To the guys and the men of Kensington with love, to AML family. That's love right there, man. Y'all see that?
Who name?
There's no name, man. Everybody anonymous.
Okay, all right.
Everybody anonymous, man.
Anonymous.
They showing love.
God bless you. What is it? You said bags and stuff?
Yeah, it's a bunch of little bags. I see a little bit of candy, little mat and stuff, you know. Okay. Yeah, some candy and stuff, man. I see some clothes. Yeah.
All right, we'll definitely, you know, show love to the people out there. We're going to give these things out.
Yep, they sent a nice little package right here, man. That's love. Salute to you. Salute to you. Whoever you are out there, God bless you. Yep. Let me set this one to the side right quick.
Yep.
What we got? Put that bag right there with that one. All right, let's get this one out the way right quick. Yep, another anonymous, man. Everybody's anonymous, man. Nobody, you know, and I like when people send stuff anonymous, man, because, you know, because it's for the people, you know. Bunch of gloves, man. This is love. Yep. Yeah, the gloves, man.
Nobody going cold on our shift, guys.
Absolutely, man. There's going to be a lot of warm bodies out here this winter, man.
Yep.
Thanks to y'all, and it's love right there. Yep. There's no card in here neither. Anonymous, salute to you. Y'all know who y'all are. Much love. Appreciate y'all. Seriously. All right, what we got right here? What we got right here?
I see some medical on the box. Maybe some medical supplies. I don't know.
Oh, and this one right here?
Yeah, I see medical.
Yeah, medical supply, yeah.
Yeah, people definitely do need medical supplies out here.
Absolutely, man. Like them alcohol pads too, man. Medical supplies and alcohol pads, hygiene products, all that type stuff, man. So what we got? These are the hand warmers right here.
Okay, hand warmers. Okay, excellent.
It's a lot of love right there, man. Yep, whole box of hand warmers. There's no card in here. Salute to you. Appreciate you. That's much love right there.
God bless.
This is love right here. Y'all, seriously, man. Y'all going above and beyond right now, man.
Yeah, right.
Seriously, this is a lot of love, man. We need more, though, but, you know, this is a lot of love. What we got right here, man?
It's a huge box.
This is to Jennifer.
To Jennifer?
Yeah, this says to Jennifer.
Okay, there's a girl that we interviewed named Jennifer on the channel, so I guess let's open and see what they sent for Jennifer.
Okay. Right.
Guys, I haven't seen Jennifer in like a few weeks. I did get her cell phone at one point, but I don't know what happened to the cell phone.
Hey, man, it's rough out here, man. You get people's cell phones, man. They lose them. People steal them from them, all types of stuff. So that's thorough that you get people's cell phones out here, Mal.
Yeah.
Because to keep in contact with a man and keep them a part of the family is just hard, though. Because when people in their addiction, you know, it's just rough, man. Y'all know what's up, man. But
so hopefully I'll run into Jennifer again.
God bless. It was a girl, I don't know if it's the same Jennifer, right? But it was a girl named Jennifer that I actually was looking for her brother named Danny.
Oh yeah, Danny?
Yeah, he came down. They live in one of these couple hours away from here, man, like 4 hours away from here. And he was looking for her. Okay. I don't know if it's the same one, man, but
I'll show you her picture when we're done. Maybe
yeah, I got a picture of her in my other phone too. Yeah, I definitely want to see if it's the same one, man, because our family was really worried about her.
Wow, they sent all this for Jennifer, huh?
God bless. Man. That's love.
Wow.
That's love.
Sent her a nice big book bag pack.
Feel like the stuff inside the book bag too. Clothes and stuff inside the book bag.
Jennifer, you're blessed. Somebody out there is thinking of you.
Absolutely, and guess what? It all matched too. It all matched. They looked out for you, Jen.
Right.
Salute.
So hopefully we run into Jennifer soon. We could give this to her. But you know my policy, I keep things for 3 months. If I don't see the person, I give it to somebody else.
I heard that. But God willing, we find Jennifer, man.
Yeah.
Because she can really use that right there. Brill Heart. I don't know if that's a name or what. Louisberry Road. Let's see what we got in here. Let's go ahead and rip this one open like this, man.
Don't forget, guys, go and subscribe to Surviving Kensington. You know, we're on the same mission. I'm going to put his channel link in the description and on the screen. You know, let's show him some love too.
Absolutely. Socks, man. Nice Christmas socks, man. Nice thick Jones too. The thermal socks. These are good socks, man. People are going to be really, really appreciative of this. And we got some hand warmers, feet warmers. Yeah, man.
Yeah, you guys came through. You know, wintertime is right around the corner.
They came through heavy, man. They came through heavy. I seen a card.
Yeah.
I just seen a card. What did I do with that card? Or was it in that other box? Yeah, they got some PJs and everything in here, man. This is love.
Yeah, that's love right there, guys. Whoever sent that, we don't know who you are, but God bless you.
For sure, for sure.
All these nice socks.
Yeah, this is a nice,
people definitely.
It's a nice package right here, man. Nice package.
So yeah, the coat drive is going down, guys. We getting a lot of good stuff. Remember, send things for kids also.
Absolutely.
You know, the children are important. We appreciate everything.
Like these right here. These look like these kids.
Yeah, yeah,
that's
definitely.
love, man. It's love, man.
Things down. We got 2 more boxes to go, guys.
We got so far so good, man. Y'all doing so beautiful, man. I appreciate y'all. I know Mal do as well, man. The people is gonna appreciate y'all even more.
Yes, they do.
What are we doing with this one? This is a box inside of a box. Inside of a box. Blankets, cozy blanket.
Nice.
Is that what this is? Yeah, these the cozy fleece joints. 50, 60 inches. Yeah, these is beautiful, man. Beautiful, beautiful. This is definitely going to keep some help world out here. But Suhili, God willing, you take this opportunity to get yourself up out of here and use some of this love that the people giving you, man.
Okay, cool.
All right, that's it for the.
Thank you guys so much for the love that we receive out here, and I'm gonna let Lego close out.
Loyalty plus admiration ignites, so inspires genuine originality. We appreciate y'all. Subscribe to the channel, AML Films, Surviving Kensington. We're going to continue to do our part out here. You got boots on the ground, you know, and we're not going nowhere. We're just going to get better and better with this. It's going to be more and more support. So we just appreciate y'all. Always love, man. Let go.
Yeah, you heard it, guys. Appreciate the Surviving Kensington family and the AML family. We are all one. So let's, you know, we rise by lifting other people up. So let's lift Surviving Kensington up now, you know, because he's doing positive things, guys. So we appreciate all the love again. You know, we're going to put some things together and we're going to give it out to the people. You know how I do. So, guys, remember, don't be bitter, be better. AML Films, Surviving Kensington, and we out there. Peace out. Ready for the 19th. Lego putting in that work. See, that's what y'all don't see behind the scenes. Putting in that work.
This one on my left. All right, bro.
All right, y'all be safe, all right? All right, man.